The final whistle. As the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the football field, the atmosphere was electric. The championship match between Eastwood High and Westfield Academy was about to begin. Students from both schools filled the stands, their cheers echoing across the pitch. Liam, the captain of Eastwood, felt the weight of responsibility on his shoulders. This was his last year in high school, and he was determined to lead his team to victory. He glanced at his teammates, each one showing a mix of nerves and excitement. They had trained hard for this moment, and now it was time to prove themselves. The whistle blew, and the game kicked off. The first half was intense, with both teams showcasing their skills. Westfield scored the first goal, sending their supporters into a frenzy. Eastwood responded with determination, equalizing just before halftime. During the break, Liam gathered his team. "We've come too far to give up now. Let's play with heart." His words ignited a fire within them. The second half was a battle. Each player gave their all, sprinting up and down the field, sweat pouring down their faces. With only 5 minutes left, the score was tied. The tension was palpable. In a dramatic twist, Liam received a pass near the goal. With a swift movement, he dribbled past 2 defenders and shot the ball. It soared through the air and landed perfectly in the net. The crowd erupted in cheers. As the final whistle blew, Eastwood had won. Liam felt a rush of joy and relief. They had not only won the championship, but had forged unforgettable memories together, proving that teamwork and perseverance could lead to victory.